How to fix WhatsApp GIF not working on iPhone. Trying to send or view a GIF on WhatsApp but nothing shows up. Let's fix this in just a few steps. GIFs require a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data so you can see if this solves the issue. If you're using Giphy or another GIF source, try reinstalling it. You can also reopen the app, log back in and allow WhatsApp access. Although iPhones don't offer cache clearing like Android, you can delete WhatsApp and reinstall it to refresh temporary files. With those fixes, GIFs should start working again in your chats. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video or if this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.